The MINISO X15 Pro Earbuds come with bold promises like real-time translation in 148 languages, immersive stereo sound, open-ear comfort, Bluetooth 5.4, and even enhanced features, but once you start using them, things aren't quite as smooth as they sound. While the design is sleek and the earbuds feel comfortable to wear for long periods, the real standout features like translation depend entirely on third-party apps like Sammy or Earjoy, which are often buggy, inconsistent, or simply don't work as advertised. If you misplace the included QR code, you lose access to the translation function entirely, making that major selling point pretty much useless. Setup is more frustrating than it should be, with confusing steps and common errors like illegal code that leave users stuck. And without the app, these are basically just regular Bluetooth earbuds with average sound quality, nothing close to the futuristic tech they're marketed as. Still, some users might appreciate the decent comfort and basic functionality if they're just looking for casual everyday use. Overall, it's not exactly a scam, but it's definitely not the breakthrough product it claims to be either.